Hello coaches! Here we have a demonstration on creating a practice within your Soccer Drive account. As you know, once you have created a practice, then it's available to share with your team and can help you improve your communication and be more prepared for your practice sessions. So let's get started here. First thing we're going to do from our dashboard is we're going to click Add Practice. I'm going to give our practice a name. I'm going to give it an age level, which is not required. I'm going to give it a practice date. This link here will allow me to add notes to this practice. If I click it, you'll see a text editor expands, and we're going to add a few notes in here. This field is helpful if you want to communicate some of the themes for practice, maybe outline the time for each drill, things like that. But again, not required. And then down here at the bottom, once we add drills to this practice, you'll see the drills listed. If you know the name of the drills, then you can go ahead and start typing the name of the drills here and then select them when they pop up. However, creating a practice, it's much easier to add drills to the practice from the drill that you're viewing. And I'll show you that here in just a minute. So let's go ahead, let's save this practice. Once I save it, I'll be directed back to our My Practices page where all your practices will be listed. So now we need to add some drills to our practice. To do that, I'm going to start by going to my drill lists. I know I have some drills that I really like in my favorites list. So I'm going to bring up some of these. And you'll notice right here on the left-hand side an Add button listed next to the practice. So to add this drill into this practice, all I'm going to do is click the Add button, and voila, there we go. It's going to be in our practice now. So let's go back. Let's say we have some drills that are not in our practice list. We can go to the main soccer drill search. This is a U14 practice. I can filter the drills by practices that are somewhat geared for U14. And I can search through these drills. Here's another good one. So I'm going to click Add and place it into this practice. So now if we go back and we view this practice, you'll notice that these two drills are in our practice now. Let's say we want to make a change to this practice. I can click the Edit button and I'll go back to the practice form. Now you'll notice that we have our two drills listed here. If I want to change the order of these drills, all I have to do is click on the arrow and drag it into the new position, and then click Save, and the drills will get reordered. So you'll also notice if I click the Notes tab here on the drill that our notes are listed. So one more feature from the practice form, you'll notice under each drill listed there's another link called Coach's Notes. And if I want to add my own notes to this drill, this is where I can do it. So I'll add some additional notes here. And let's go ahead and save it. And now if we have a look at it, you'll notice that my additional notes come in under the main description for the drill. So it's a way that you can kind of customize your practices even further. using the content that's already available on the site. One question we get quite a bit is how someone would add their own drill to their practice. So let me walk you through that as well. If I go back to my dashboard here, you'll notice on the left My Soccer Drills, and this page will list all the drills that you've uploaded yourself. So it's pretty easy to do. If I click the Add Soccer Drill link, I can give it a name. Then I just need to upload an image, diagram or PDF diagram. Let's just take one like this for right now. And I can add notes here that give the drill a good description. There's some additional fields that are optional down here. And let's go ahead and save it. So now you'll notice that I've uploaded my own drill. And now that it's in the system, all I have to do to add it to my practice is treat it just like any other drill. So if I click on it to view it, you'll see here I've got the diagram and the description, and I can add it to my practice using the same link there on the left hand side. So now if I go back and view this practice, you'll notice that our own drill is listed down here at the bottom. If you're taking advantage of the Team Access feature, then all you have to do to share this practice now with your team is click the Share with Team button up here in the right hand corner, and now your team will have access to the practice you've built. So let's take a quick look at that. In this browser tab, I'm logged in with our Team Access information, and I'm going to click on Practices, and we'll see here that our practice is now listed. So as a team member, I can now view this practice. I can use the tabs to look at the notes, the drills, the tactics if I've added any. And you'll notice here that all the animations and diagrams from the drills that we added are listed. So I hope this has been helpful for you all. Again, our practice feature combined with the ability to share it with your team is really designed to improve communication and help you be as prepared as possible for practice. So we'll have some more videos coming up that explain some of our other features in detail. And until then, best of luck, coaches.